If you are a selfie lover, Xiaomi has got you covered. The Redmi S2 is all about its front-facing shooter. There's a very good reason why Xiaomi is highlighting its front camera. It's not just because of the hardware inside, but also the AI algorithms that ensure that your selfies turn out to be perfect. On the hardware side, the Redmi S2 comes with a 16MP front shooter, which isn't very big, as compared to selfie-centric phones of 2018, like the Oppo F7 with 25MP shooter. However, the front camera features large 2-micron pixels, which should deliver pretty good low-light selfies. Well, to further aid its front camera and low light, you get a soft front flash as well, which Xiaomi claims mimics natural light. The Xiaomi Redmi S2 feature a 5.99 inches, 18 by 9 display, with 1440 by 720p resolution. To be honest, the display isn't the phone's biggest highlight. The design is reminiscent of the recent Redmi phones, but the antenna lines are a bit different. The phone uses a 2-string U-shaped antenna design, which could be inspired from Oppo R9s. If you remember, it had a 3-string design, and was quite unique in its time. The back is made out metal, and features a fingerprint sensor too. The bottom features a micro USB port, and speakers, while the top has a headphone jack, and infrared. There are 3 color options available: rose gold, platinum silver, and champagne gold. Coming to the rear camera, you get a 12MP plus 5MP rear camera. The primary camera is said to be the same one used inside the Xiaomi Mi 6. The setup consists of AF2.2 lens, LED flash, facial recognition, AI portrait mode, and HDR. Other features of the Redmi S2 include a 3080 mAh battery, which support fast charging, and a rear-placed fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Bluetooth 4.2, infrared, and so on. As for the price, the 3RAM plus 32GB version of the phone will go on sale for 999 yuan, $157, while the 4GB plus 64GB version will retail for 1,299 yuan, $204. The Redmi S2 by itself looks like a pretty good, selfie-focused phone. But if you are not a selfie fanatic, there are plenty of better options out there, even from Xiaomi. Redmi 5 Plus, Redmi Note 5 are all priced around the sub-$200 segment. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.